Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to take a look at your PayPal transaction history. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open up the official PayPal website right here, paypal.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. So in the main page, we want to get started logging into your account. So once we have logged in successfully, now we can get started accessing this home page where we can take a look at our PayPal balance, we have our recent activity, we can send request money, and so on. So what do we do if we want to take a look at our transaction history, take a look at all the transactions, receipts, and also on that we have? Well guys, this is how to do it. Basically, what we're looking for is right here at the top of the screen. At the top of the screen, you have the settings menu where you can find all the options that you can access. And what we're looking for is this activity tab right here. So by opening up the activity tab, it's going to enable you to take a look at your PayPal activities right here. You'll be able to take a look who you sent money to, who sent money to you, when you received money, and so on. So all your transaction history is going to be right here. You can filter it however you like by your date and size and so on. All that is available right here. You can even download all your info and receipts that you have. So all of that is going to be available in the activity tab. If you want to access it, it's right there. So that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.